Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Baji Hossain Hamim. I am a member of English Fantasy. My batch number is 40. My ID number is 1787. I am staying here for about 2 months, and now we are going to discuss about the environment of English Fantasy. So, with me, I have two friends. Would you tell me your name and which batch?
My name is Sabir Havladar and batch number 40.
What about you?
My name is Aryan Nafiz, batch number 40 or ID number 1588.
So, how long are you staying here? Sabir brother?
2 months. I already stay 2 months, but I admit in the 4 month basic plus IELTS. And 2 month already not complete is level C already complete, and level 4 is tomorrow again start in level 4.
Yeah, okay. So we have spent a lot of time in this institution, and today we are going to discuss about how you can improve your English skills after coming here. So I am a student and I am just taking preparation for going abroad. So that's why I have chosen this institute. I find this institute really nice, as this institute is giving us all the opportunities that a person need to go abroad and to fulfill his dream. Am I right?
Yes, right. And me also a student, and my basic is very strong that I not go to first time abroad. I international traveler. I already 5 and 6 country already visit.
Yeah, that's nice. That's
yes,
really nice.
That's I lot of places I visit. Then English Fantasy and another name, not name I show. And I select the English Fantasy because a embassy phase is America. I go to America is a FIFA World Cup. Then 40-minute American embassy phase. Then I go this English Fantasy is a basic, strong basic, and then I will go.
Okay, let's talk about the environment of English Fantasy. So tell me something about the environment and how you can improve your English skills after coming here. Are you feeling your improvement here?
Feeling is improvement is very good because this environment is very nice. Is dormitory is very close and class is very close.
Okay.
And,
As I'm a student, I'm also a student of English Fantasy. So I have noticed that English Fantasy, every member is very cooperative. They are very supportive, and the teachers are so friendly. That's you'll never get in any institution from my perspective. So if you want to improve your English skills, you must have to come here. Otherwise, you will just lag behind. So English Fantasy is also giving us really nice environment, because my friend already mentioned that English Fantasy is giving us the opportunity of everything, like our basic needs, what we need. So this is really important to learn English, where you get such type of environment. So what about yourself, brother? Would you please tell me your name?
My name Nafiz. My nickname Nafiz. My name is Aryan Nafiz. First of all, I chose this institute. This institute environment is very good. Our classroom, dormitory, our canteen, this nearby. This others institute, this system is not available. Almost everything, dormitory, reading room, canteen, not closely. This institute is very good environment. Teacher behavior is very good. This institute system, class time, rules resolution is very good.
Okay, really nice to meet you, brother. So let's improve your English skills and hope that you can do really well. I am also improving. So have a nice day.